Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your Adobe Express project within your Adobe Express application. Deleting a project from Adobe Express is quite straightforward, and here is how you do it. First of all, open the Adobe Express app on your mobile device. Log into your account like you normally do, and after you are logged in, tap on Your Stuff at the bottom of the screen from the main home page. After tapping on Your Stuff, go to the Projects tab at the top in order to view your saved projects. To delete the project, tap the three dots right next to the project and click on Delete at the bottom. Confirm deletion by tapping Delete, and once you proceed with the project deletion, your deleted project will be kept for 30 days in Adobe Cloud Storage. During this period, you can easily restore it again if you ever change your mind. To confirm deleting the project, click Delete, and that is how you will be able to delete your project on Adobe Express. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.